Everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a review on the wheel brush hour cleaner. So basically it cleans the wheels in your car or motorbike, so you can clean. So basically it's like bristles. They're soft bristles, they're not real hard. After a few washes though they will get hard, but yeah, it's put in the wheel. If you're using a cloth or a sponge with the wheel, it's fairly hard to get in and clean the wheel. So basically this, you wet this and it scrubs inside the wheel. You go all around, so you can reach in the parts that you can't reach with using a sponge or a cloth. So it's very handy for that. I think it was only €2 to €3 as well, fairly cheap, or even €1.50. Get them in the local pound shop or anywhere as well. They're very cheap there. There's no point buying expensive ones as well, because the cheap ones are just as good, and you rarely use them when you wouldn't use them too often, like for every couple now and then really. You're washing your car, even if your wheels might not even be that dirty, so might as well just get a cheap one. So if you did, I would recommend these as well, just for cleaning the car. It makes it just a lot easier on you, or trying to break it back and using the sponge to clean the inside of the wheel. So hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe. Peace.